Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another session of 133 Technicals. As you all know, this is basically a market outlook session. What we're trying to do basically is look for opportunities you can get in the market, and you guys get to see my strategy, how I get my entries and exits, basically. So I'm being notified there that my internet connection is unstable. Can you guys hear me clearly?
Yes, you can hear you clearly.
Okay, cool. Let's continue. And for those that be watching this video on YouTube, please, as usual, like and subscribe to the page, and you can always share to your friends. Yeah. So let's get started. Fundamental wise, we had a high impact news on ADUSD. That's really concerning because I traded ADUSD. And then we have high impact news by 11 on on GBP, and then we have another one by 4 p.m. on USD. So it's going to be quite an eventful day. Let's jump on our charts and see what we can get. So now this is NZDUSD. So this is NZDUSD today. So yeah, NZDUSD. Yesterday we created a higher high, and then I think it's that news on ADS. Yeah, this was 1 o'clock. So we just bounced back. We came and retested because yesterday at night I was just looking for, okay, I saw price came to this level. I was like, cool, yeah, I'll wait today and then I'll be looking to take the buy from the 0.618 of the Fibonacci, but price did not actually reach there. We just came, we retested this whole neckline here, and then we just exploded to the upside. So right now, what can we watch out for on this pair? Right now, we're clearly bullish on this pair right now. We just created a higher, we just created a higher low, a higher high. So what are we looking out for now? We're waiting for price to come back and create a higher low. So in the case where price starts retracing, now what I'm going to do basically, as usual, is just plot my Fibonacci and wait for price to get to the 0.618. So once price gets to the 0.618, this is basically what I'm looking out for. I'm looking to take that aggressive entry from here to the top, and then my stop loss just below here, just right under there. So that's what I'll be looking out for on this currency pair right now. Yeah, I'll just be looking out for price to come back, let us retest, and then we take it to the upside. So that's what I'll be looking out for on NZDUSD currently. Now, AUDUSD is quite tricky. AUDUSD has not clearly shifted yet. We have not clearly shifted to that uptrend yet. We are more or less still doing the whole range here. So I don't want to, I don't want to stress it. I don't want to stress it. So I'm just going to call it a range. Yeah. Let me see. Let's go to the 4H. I was expecting that as AUDUSD broke above, would have actually shifted structure on AUDUSD, but up to now we have not. Even on the 4H, you can see that evidently we're actually still inside this range. So it's just to leave it alone for now and see what it does. Yeah. Subsequently, let's just leave it alone and see how it plays out. For now, there's nothing really on AUDUSD. So is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at?
Let's take a look at gold and GBPSD.
Good. Okay, gold too is almost the same thing. Gold too, I think yesterday I was expecting gold to actually come into these deep areas and at least touch this neckline here. But then, price actually just did short retracement and then we pushed up and then we broke above. So gold has created a higher low, a higher high. You understand? So it's just to wait and see how it's going to play out. You can just, I don't want to use my Fibonacci because gold is quite tricky. That's the thing with gold. Honestly, that's the problem with gold. It's very, very tricky. Very, very, very tricky something. Come, let me check something. It actually respects the Fibonacci sometimes. Let me see. Yeah, it actually respects the Fibonacci. So what can we look out for gold? Normal, just like every other pair, we're looking for buys currently. Where can we get that buy? Let's just plot our Fib. Where is our 0.618 area? Is around here. So we can just wait for price to get to this point. We can just wait for price, let it get to this point. Don't be looking to take a buy from there to the upside, basically. That's what we can look out for on gold. That's basically what we can look out for on gold. Okay. Try something else. So that's basically what we can look out for on gold. Is there any other? Okay, you said GUBA. That's GBP
Yeah.
GBP USD. Whoa, this is shocking. GBP USD just it's trying to shift. Structure is trying to shift. GBP USD is still inside this range, and I think we spoke about something like that yesterday when we were analyzing. See the top of the range here, see the bottom of the range here. So we are still inside this range, and that's what's basically doing it. So it tapped inside, and then now it's selling. So me, I'm not going to trade something like GBP USD until it exits the range properly.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not going to trade it. Is there another pair you guys want us to take a look at?
That's all I have.
That's all, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions?
Not at all.
Okay, cool. So with that, yeah, I think we'll call it a session. Please, let's just what are we watching out for on. I think the only one we have instead of right now is on NZDUSD. Yeah, and the setup is basically just the buy. Let's just wait for price to get into those 0.618 area. Yeah, into that 0.618 area, then we can look to take the buy to the upside. So that's what we'll just be paying attention on this currency pair right now. Nothing more, nothing less. Yeah. So you guys should just have a very wonderful trading day. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Yeah, thank you.